Twarikora tikenda gwikirwo mitungi-ini yao na turamenya niko gwikagwo tondu mweri wa keri wa gatatu na uyu wa gatandatu na uyu wa mugwanja nituonete iria nirikoretwo rigithie Meru riakinya kuu rikoneka ni iruku. Koguo twagitonye kuo rĩrĩa tutonyire nitukorikira ũrigitũ nitonyire na gĩkĩra mũbira wa kũruta iria nigetha gĩkĩre mĩtũngi-inĩ na mĩtũngi ĩyo nĩyo ĩcokaga otayo volume kana mũigana wa iria rĩrĩa rĩarutwo gwekĩrwo maaĩ ota macio mũigana.
This is gross misconduct. We do not expect milk from farmers that have toiled to be rejected by the receiving cooperative, which is Meru. So when we heard about that, of course we got concerned and we said we must do something so that we can be able to save our farmers from loss of their income. And good enough, by God's grace, we were able, by first attempt, we were able to get the culprit who is here with us. And we have just come here to see the dairy that is operating here, and actually it is operating illegally. We have not seen any documentation as to its legality. So we are worried even those who consume the milk here, whether it is up to the standard.